Before getting into the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a video. Now let us understand what sets are in Python. So sets are a collection of data items which are both unordered and unindexed. You cannot expect the same order once you run a program to be occurring the next time, because when we create a set there is no order defined and there is no particular index for a particular element. So suppose we define a set, let's say this set equal to apple, banana, cherry, and how we create a set, we use the curly braces here. So this set equal to curly brackets apple comma banana comma cherry and close the curly braces. After that we have to print this, so we write print this set. Let us run this and see what is the output. You can see the output is not the same what we gave as input, like we gave apple, banana, cherry, and we are not getting the same output when we run this. Basically, the order of the elements of a set can differ when we run it or when we run that particular program, because it is not fixed, it is unordered and unindexed. Thus, this is how we can prove that it is unordered and unindexed. Next, we have the property of set, that is duplicates are not allowed in sets. Suppose we are having two same values in a set, then that set will be printed with only a single value and these all will have unique values. So when we write this set apple, banana, cherry, let us say we write one more apple after that, and now let us try to print this set, and we get the output as apple, banana, cherry. We cannot see two apple at the same time. This is because sets do not allow the duplicacy of elements. Again, we can use the length function for checking the length of a set. Now consider this set which is equals to apple, banana, cherry. It has three elements and let us check the length for it. We'll write print length this set. It is just similar to list and tuples. If you have watched previous videos, you must be familiar with it. And now let us run this. So it is giving us the output as 3. That is what we expected. Now it can have different data types. Suppose we have some string, integers, boolean values, same as previous one. Let us say abc comma 24 comma true comma 40.0 enclosed in curly brackets, and let us print this set1, which is print set1, and run this. So it is giving us the output and it is giving us no error, which means that we can have more than one data items of different data types in a set. In order to access data items of a set, we can use the for loop or the while loop. Let me give you example how to use or access items using a for loop. So what we do here is we have the same set and now we write for x in this set colon write print x, and let us see what is the output. So the output is apple, banana, cherry. This is how we access items in set. It is again similar to list and tables. And if we wish to check whether particular element is present in the set, we write print then the item name, that is banana here, in this set name. So let us run this. You might be wondering that in the previous lectures we have used for loop and then after that we have specified that particular element and then in keyword and the set name, but in this case we are not using that. You can also use that, but this is the simplest one, and I already told you it is better to have an optimized and efficient code. So this is the optimized one. So when we do this, and if you're thinking that this will give error, no, it will not. Now let us just print it. it is giving us the value true, which is a boolean value. So in this way you can also use the in keyword. Can we change items in sets? No, we cannot change items in set, because once a set is created, you are not allowed to change the items in it, but you can add new items in it. How to add items in set? So that will be simple. Just as defined, this set equal to apple, banana, cherry, again the same set. Then you use the add method. So we write this set dot add, and in the brackets write the element you wish to add. So if we wish to add kiwi, so now we print this set and run it. See, the output is apple, banana, cherry, kiwi. Now we have 4 data items in the set. Again, they are unordered. What if we wanted to append a set or update a set, or you can say add a set to another set? Can we do this? Yes, we can add sets. To add items from another set into the current set, we use the update method. How is this method used? We have this set which is equals to apple, banana, cherry. Now we have another set named tropic, which is equal to pineapple, comma mango, comma papaya. Again enclosed in curly braces because it's a set. And now we wish to update this, I mean add it. So we will write this set dot update, then inside the brackets we write tropic, and now we print this set. Let us run this and see what the output is. So basically these both sets are being added up. This was because this set named this set is appended or updated with the whole set elements of the set tropic. So what happened here is all the elements of tropic, which are pineapple, mango, papaya, are being appended to the set, this set. Now can we remove set items from the set? There are certain methods which we can use to remove an item in a set. First of all, let us see the remove or the discard method. So if we wish to remove banana, so we'll write this set dot remove, and inside the brackets we write banana, and now print this set. So we are having the output apple and cherry. Now next we have the discard method. So we'll write this set dot discard banana. Okay, first I should comment out this. Now print this set remains the same, and then we run it. Again we have the output as apple, cherry. Another method is using the pop method. Now we have again this set. So we'll write x equal to this set dot pop. So it will pop the last item. So we print x and print this set to compare what was the previous result and what is the outcome now. So when we pop it, it is giving us cherry, and then after that we have banana, apple. So it basically pops the last item, right? Next we have the clear method, which empties the set. So we use this set dot clear, and now let us print this set and see what is the result. So it is giving us an empty set. Next is the del keyword. We can delete the set completely by using the del keyword. So now we have del this set and we print this set. On running this, we have the output as an empty set. So this is how we can remove item or empty a set using these methods discussed. I hope you must be clear with all these methods. If you like this video, hit the like button. Thank you.